Thankfully, you don't have wings, otherwise you'd be flying higher than Mephisto himself. I did. I guess they also want to join Anakainis. But a single cheer isn't enough. Especially when it doesn't carry any weight.
Sylus! Boss man! Anakainis' leader!
It's a clever response, I'll give you that. They didn't need to tell us that. Under these circumstances, it'd be hard not to teach them something. Since we're staying in for once, do you want to watch a movie? Nothing has caught your eye?
Don't like! Eat! I don't like! Eat! No! Eat!
Are you tired? Close your eyes and get some rest. You don't have to stay up late.
I like this! Eat!
At least we know they have good taste. As the two people who served as their teachers, we deserve credit for influencing them.